Hello, friends and professionals. It's not a regular session to learn SAP SD or S4 HANA, any other knowledge for that matters. Just I would like to add some general information. It might be useful. Experience versus when I have finished my SAP certification and the reasons. Reasons for late or whatever you call. Let's try to check this one today. First year, I haven't done certification. I joined in permanent roles. Second year, no certification. Third year, no certification. Fourth year, no certification. Fifth year, no certification. Sixth year, no certification. So by 6 years, I'm in the second company. Okay. By that time, I have finished 3 implementations and small kind of rollout project also. And migration project, no certification. Sixth, seventh, 8 years, I extensively worked on support project. This is my support experience. Okay. Ninth year. And my third company, I have done my first certification. So how many years it will took? Literally, look at the lazy, being a consultant, can able to handle, but not interested to do much in IT. But don't do this mistake. So I feel that ECC certification is already stopped. I'll show you one session separately on SAP certifications, what you are supposed to do. At least do one certification from S4 HANA 2020 above. 19019 also fine, but I would recommend better go by 2021 like that. Okay. So 10th year gap, 11th year I have done. See, these supposed to be done if you are faster than somewhere here in the 4th or 5th year. If you directly got as a lateral employee in IT company, you have to start somewhere here, at least 3rd year or 4th year, or else first 1 year finish. So many people are doing, or else some people are doing and getting into the job. So what is the challenge? Is your knowledge. Certification we can pass. It's not a big deal. So you wanted to see. This is my associate. Again, one more associate I have written. Okay. So this is the story about certifications. Probably I'll try to do one dedicated video. What is my experience while writing certification? My first certification I have finished exactly 17 minutes. Okay. You don't believe that? I cannot show you that proof also. Second, it is also less than 20-25 minutes I have finished actually. Little curious to do the things faster. I have done 2 certifications late, but I have done it. Why I'm doing this video? Experience. Suppose experience always matters in the market rather than your certification. My certification, I can able to keep in resume or somewhere I can share. I haven't shared in my LinkedIn also my certifications. I'm sharing YouTube for the first time to get inspire yourself to kickstart yourself if you haven't done certification. So certainly it will have an edge, an advantage if you are doing for your first job. Or else certain times if you are looking for specifically S4 HANA project, if you are in ECC, again you will have an edge within the projects. But it's not ultimate. I worked on S4 HANA projects before my certification. I worked on ECC projects, many ECC projects before my certifications. Certification, like it's a recognition. You are like a mirror of reflection in the current competitive market. You are just to build your confidence, you are a certified consultant. But where exactly we have an advantage? If you are in on-site, like you are traveling and you're trying jobs on your own on on-site from India or also going to certain countries, Dubai, USA, UK, Canada, wherever you go, there you will have an advantage. India, it is safe hands. That's why I haven't done. But these certifications also corporate sponsored. I didn't spend even a single rupee. So I don't hurry for anything in life. That's why I'm like this. I didn't earn much money also. That is different story. Okay, it depends on, like, the kind of seriousness how you take in your career. Okay, that's it. That's all for today. I wish you all the best for your certification. And where you can able to download this? That's the bigger question, right? So let me check here. Where is this site? I think this is downloaded one. Okay, close this. So this is the place where currently they are linking this one. With this, you can able to simply share to LinkedIn or Facebook once you have done certification. At least you spend some money, right? Okay, I didn't spend. So if you are going to spend, and if you pass this certification, you will have a recognition. So like, better share in LinkedIn, Facebook, and it's your hard work at the end of the day. So you can email and you can share this one as a public link, download, you can embed, and these kind of things you can able to. Recently, I have done this month only. I have finished S4 HANA Sales 2022. Okay, let's see in future if any certifications which is useful also. I'll get back to you. Okay. So what else? Like all these are the different courses. This is very, very important compared with that. If you really want to learn uh, the stuff at cheaper rates from real-time consultants. If you I'm with you, if you have doubts, you can write. All these are the different courses and Udemy. You can try more real-time specific. I don't want people to be in other instructor or nonsense person hands to be get deceived by taking milking the money. I don't want it. There should be some sacrifice. There should be some acting. That's why I have done all these courses last 3 years. If you really have that passion, you can utilize it. Okay. So how to write a functional specification, pricing, pricing in depth, FSCM, your S4 HANA basics, everything. Take it. Okay. If you are happy, I'm happy. Okay. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best for your career. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. And Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a great day. All the best.